If your e-commerce store isn't getting clicks, you're leaving money on the table. Low traffic can be frustrating, but don't worry, there's a solution. Time to fix that with Google Ads. This powerful tool can drive targeted traffic to your store and boost your sales. First things first, target the right audience. Knowing who your customers are is crucial. Use Google Ads audience segmentation to pinpoint your ideal customers. This ensures your ads reach the people most likely to buy. Next up, nail your bidding strategy. A well-planned bidding strategy can make a huge difference. Set a budget that aligns with your goals, whether it's maximizing clicks or conversions. Be strategic about how much you're willing to spend. Now let's talk ad creation. Your ads need to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Craft compelling headlines that grab attention. A great headline can make all the difference. Use high-quality images and clear calls to action. Visuals are key to catching the eye of potential customers. Remember, your ad copy should be concise and to the point. Don't forget about keywords. Keywords help your ads appear in relevant searches. Use Google's keyword planner to find terms your audience is searching for. This tool is invaluable for discovering the right keywords. Monitor and tweak your ads regularly based on performance data. Regular adjustments can improve your ads' effectiveness. Test different versions to see what works best. A/B testing helps you understand what resonates with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can optimize your Google Ads campaigns. Follow these steps and watch your e-commerce sales soar with Google Ads. Happy selling! Remember, consistency and optimization are key to long-term success.